Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Coming back from work.
Vader, let's go! You're on!
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great boost. I was, hey! Vito!
Pit stop.
pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
I'm asking you to leave.
Come on, I'm a race car. You're a much older race car, but under the hood, you and I...
We'll use all in all in the final race, despite what occurred today.
Straight. Lightning
fellow on the radio. He looks just like...
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
Come on, Matt. You're in the slowway. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Just stop it off. For my whole life.
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Yes.
I found her.
Happened to you?
I fell in the mud, and I bet Sandy had to stay clean all day.
Get upright, folks. She is not clean.
Oh, Lonnie, I'm sorry about earlier. Yeah.
Don't be mad.
I'm flying. I'm having a tour.
I'm gonna get you water.
Oh, quick, look. Quick, look.
Tell me about
Are you sorry you didn't have a crew chief out there?
Oh, Corey. There's a lot more to...
Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
No lo disfrutaría más ni venciendo a McQueen en persona. Un segundo, ya lo hice.
Thanks, guys. Nice paint.
oil in it.
What is he talking about?
It was you leaking oil at the party in Japan. You just...
It's going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
And a lot of them. You know what to do, just like we rehearsed.
It's the gun.
Francesco.
E's, triples B.
Has the tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jamming now, man.
¡Mate! Entonces, ¿estos tractores de dónde vienen?
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal.
Maniobra, McQueen ha pasado a los líderes.
Exacto, esto es lo que todos quieren ver.
That's on the loss, me bucko.
You got it.
Serving the beautiful B6 Valley since 1958. You must be deceived.
Buddy.
You gotta stop at the Trees of Mystery. It'll blow your mind, man.
Oh, yeah, we're going to see all.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his crap.